I was Sailor Mars or Rei Hino, I would wear this. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Taikina Beauty. I'm so excited because it's Otakon weekend and I'm about to pick up my tickets. I wanted to do a cute, fun little Sailor Mars casual look. So when I went to Katsucon, there were people dressed up, and when they were picking up their tickets and like their map and stuff and their wristbands, and I just felt like, damn, I didn't get an invitation to the party. So I'm just gonna wear something really casual that I think Sailor Mars would wear. I think it's gonna be pretty fun. I'm gonna film doing my makeup and we're gonna see the final look, so definitely stay tuned. I'm super excited. I feel like I'm back in my element. Let's get into it, okay? I am already concealed. I didn't put foundation on because, y'all, it's hot as hell outside. What I did was conceal my pimples, dark spots, and under eyes. And I did bake a little bit. So, it broke. Your girl, Rei Hino, aka Sailor Mars, she's into purples and reds. I'm going to do a purple pink look. I think that'd be pretty fun. So I'm gonna start off with the outer corner, well, like this part, and do like this pinky purple color, and then we're gonna go from there. We're gonna go in with another color, but we're gonna start off with this. This is gonna be like my base. So I like to shape things to my eye shape. Nobody's eye shape is exactly the same. We're blending this out because we're gonna add more colors, but this is gonna be like the starter.
So excited!
I'm just gonna take a darker shade because we should. I'm gonna go in with this Makita. Like, that sounds like my name, kinda. Makita. I hope you can see me.
And I feel like they're just so potent that it's very hard for it to come off.
I'm just gonna carve that out because we still want that shape. I love using the thinner side with like anything because it's more detailed. And I'm just gonna go back in with this and then just put it here. You guys don't understand how excited I am. I love Otakon. Otakon's my favorite anime convention. I love it so much. Cannot wait to get back. Like, I'm so excited. Like this color, pink. Oh, can you see me? Pink. I love these because they are organic. Okay, now I'm gonna take this shade and just brush it underneath the lash line. It's like this pretty purple. I'm gonna blend it out a little bit. I feel like I need to. I'm gonna add cinnamon from one of my favorite palettes. I'm gonna take this and act it as a concealer and just put it right under my eyes. I love a good highlighted brow bone. It just makes the look cleaner. It definitely does. Sorry, I definitely feel like this one's upstaging this one. See, if you feel like you went a little bit too up, that is when you can absolutely go back in with the concealer and just clean that up, which I will do. I like it, so I'm leaving it alone. I like it. I tried to bake with like foundation powder. I do not recommend doing that. Maybe it was. But now I'm about to contour and highlight. So this is a new brand. It's called Luxe. They're green at Sephora. This is their No Limits Matte Bronzer and Motivate the Light. I don't dislike it. I just feel like in the summertime, it just doesn't do what it makes it do. Because I feel like we're the same color. I don't know. But I like the ingredients, and I like that it's organic and clean for the environment. I love that. You guys know I love that. And I love that Sephora is taking a stance in becoming clean. I feel like I've been clean on YouTube for almost 3 years. So like this is just like hell yeah. Like I feel like we're making moves. Like this is awesome. This is a really pretty eye look.
Loves it.
We're almost done here. We're going to do blush next, and then we're gonna highlight, because I like to do blush on top and then highlight, and then we're almost done. Y'all, I feel like I'm not in the camera, but that's okay. Absolutely love this brand. You guys see me talk about them before. They're called Zuzu Luxe. I use their face powder. Love their blush. This is the blush in Sunset. I think it's a perfect everyday blush for me. It's not too exaggerated. It's really natural, so that's what I want to go for. Yeah, like I love that. It just looks natural. I have another color. I don't think it suits me, but nonetheless it still works. This is like hands down my all-time favorite though. Just so pretty. I like to put blush on my nose because I want it just to look natural. Yeah, like this just looks so natural. It looks so good too. Now we are going to highlight, my favorite part. Understand like how happy I am. I'm so happy doing this. I'm gonna mix these two together since they're like on my eyes. I cannot find my Pat McGrath highlight. That's what I was gonna show you. It's like MIA.
She's missing.
I feel like this might be a little bit too much. And if it is, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix it. Because I feel like it is right now. This is another green clean beauty product from Sephora. I love this brand so freaking much. It's called Tower 28. This is the travel size SOS Save Our Skin. It's a daily rescue facial spray. People have tried this and they said it's made their face or their skin texture better. I like to use it every day, not as a toner, but I don't use it every day, but I try to. But it's fragrance free, alcohol free, oil free, and hypoallergenic. It says to use it AM PM on freshly cleansed skin and let dry before using moisturizer. When I have used this before, it hasn't dried my skin out, so I think that's very, very telling and very good. I haven't been using it lately, and my skin has been pretty problematic, but I think that's from me and me just not using it. But when I was using it, I had no problems. Just gonna spray it on now. I love a sprayed look. Okay, last but not least, and I love that it just makes my skin feel good and like just look good. So last but not least, we're gonna put our lippy on. This is my favorite lippy. This is like for my OG cosplay, so let's get into it. I freaking love this. When I run out of this, I do not know what the hell I'm gonna do, because Chanel loves to discontinue their stuff and never bring it back. I mean, they may bring it back, but it won't be the same exact thing. But I feel like if I was Sailor Mars or Ray Hino, I would wear this. Like, this is the Chanel 194 Le Resquentiles Gossamer. Freaking love this. It's like a pretty shade. I love it so much. It's like a pinky red. I love it, love it. It just doesn't do too much, and that's what I freaking love. So now here is the look I'm about to change, and we're gonna see the final results of what Sailor Mars would wear in my adaptation. I'll be right back. Alright, so here's the final look. I love it so much. This is a $6 Amazon wig, so I had to make do, so that's why I put a headband on top, just to make it look a little bit realistic, just a little bit. I'm gonna switch wigs and wear my other one when I see my lover, so yeah, that'd be cool. And I have my little cute red sunglasses, and I actually got these earrings from Otakon, anime convention, almost 2 years ago. So thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, here's my Prada shirt. Hope you guys like it. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and if you're gonna subscribe, you gotta hit the notification bell twice so you know the next time when I post a new video. I'll see you guys next time. Later. Bye.